what's up guys, Slow RT here, welcome back to my channel. And sorry for the slow uploads of videos since the last one I posted, I think was a month ago. It's been really slow because of, the whole COVID thing, and I'm trying to come up with good ideas to record. But today's video is going to be a DIY video, and I'm going to be installing, wait, I'm not trying to cover up the camera. I should have taken it out the box first. But so here's here, let me see. So what it's gonna be is the Hellcat red push button. Let me see. It's gonna... Alright, here it is. Boom, this one. So from the videos that I've seen online, it's pretty easy to install it. So pretty much anybody can just do it at home. And here, let me show you. Okay, so first what we got to do is so I'm using this tool for push pins, and you can basically use anything that you have laying around. So you just gotta wedge it in there and then slowly hope that you don't break anything. I was able to already pull back this corner right here, and it's actually harder than I thought it was gonna be. Let's see. Okay, just a little update. This is harder than I thought it was gonna be. And so what I found is that there's these little metal clips holding it together, and you don't want to lose these on the inside of your car. So I was able to pull this little piece out. So keep that in mind. This is more of a struggle than I anticipated. Let's see, where's the other? Oh, I heard a little pin fall. Fuck. Alright. I think the harder ones are the ones up here. Yeah, look. This is already disconnected. There you go. Somewhat there. Nope, I don't want to drop the vents. Here's the other clip. There you go. Almost there. Let's see, where's the other one? Right here. Is it right there? There you go. Let's see. Still won't budge from here. There you go. Whew. To drop this vent. Okay. Oh. That hurt. Whew. Okay. Come on. Come on. Was holding it. Alright, there's that. Let me see if I can drop the steering wheel. Maybe that's what's bothering me. Ooh, it's almost there. Come on, come on. Ah, there you go. There we go. Nice. Alright, you guys see these metal clips? You don't want to lose them. Looks like this one already fell off, this one fell off, and this one fell off. Wow. So just be careful, you guys. I think it should still be able to hold it in place. Alright, so the way to take the actual push to start button off is that it has little pins right here, like little push pins. So let me show you. Whoa. Alright. So you gotta push one, there's two on top. This one and this one. And then the one on the bottom is easier. You just push those to take it out. I already pushed the one on the bottom in, and now the top ones, now it's gonna be a little bit more difficult. Whew, man, so after a lot of tampering, I was able to finally push in the last clip. Whew, this clip right here is the harder one. I just used the bottom of my pointing finger. But let's see, let's take this out. Alright, so then you're just gonna have a little cable right here. You push this in, hold it out. Let's see. Come on. There you go. Man. Whew. It is hot in here, and getting this out was not easy. Whew. Alright, so then you just pull back this metal piece, because this is what you're going to put on the new one. And just slide it in like so. Boom. Just like that. And you reconnect it. So back to it. So yeah, you just connect this right there. Just slide it in. Like that. And then it should just pop back into place. There you go. Alright, so moment of truth. Let's see if it works. And it works! Boom. No copyright. Boom. Like magic. Let's see if it turns on. And it turns on! It worked! Woo! Alright. So let's put this bad boy back and make sure that all the vents aren't loose. This like this. Yep. So I did lose a few of these metal clips, but I can reuse them though with the two I found. I don't really know how to put them on though. Just slide it in or what? You gotta open it a little bit. Let's see. Just go like that. I think so. Yeah. Maybe did I put it on backwards? I think I put it on backwards. Right there. Boom. Long part goes facing down. Okay, let's see. Boom, just like that. And I fucking broke it. I broke it. Wow. Well, there goes my title as mechanic. I can't do it. Can't do it no more. This one was about to come out. Okay, so I wasn't able to put this back in, so fuck it. We're just gonna do without it. I have too much stuff in here. Alright. Careful, careful, careful. Oof. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. And now it's stuck behind the paddle shifter. Boom. Just like that. Then you just push them back into place. There we go. Boom. Alright, well, it's not perfect. I'll deal with this later on. But that's pretty much how you install the red push to start button from a Hellcat. And as you can see, I got the SRT steering wheel. You know, you gotta fake it till you make it. Nah, I'm kidding. It's a Scat Pack. I'm not trying to up badge to a fucking Hellcat. I just like their steering wheel and their push to start button. But if this video helped you guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See you.